Aloha! Are you ready to throw a Hawaiian party that will transport your guests straight to paradise? Imagine vibrant tropical vibes, lush greenery, and a setup so stunning it feels like a beachside escape. Whether it's for a birthday, summer bash, or any festive occasion, I'm here to share the ultimate Hawaiian party decoration ideas that will bring the islands to your backyard. Let's dive in and create a luau to remember. How to use lighting to enhance the Hawaiian theme. Lighting is essential to create the magical ambiance of a Hawaiian luau, especially for evening events. String lights, preferably with a warm glow, can mimic the feel of tropical sunsets. Tiki torches or lanterns placed around the venue add an authentic island touch and create cozy vibes. If you're looking for something fun and colorful, use LED lights in palm trees or under tables to create a playful atmosphere. Lighting not only decorates, but also sets the mood for your party. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on using lighting to transform your events. What are some fun DIY Hawaiian decorations? DIY projects are a great way to personalize your Hawaiian party decor. Create garlands with paper flowers, palm leaves, or even leaves strung together for a festive touch. Upcycle mason jars by wrapping them in burlap or raffia and using them as candle holders or vases. For a unique photo booth backdrop, use a large piece of fabric with a tropical print and adorn it with faux greenery and flowers. These DIY decorations not only save money, but also let you get creative with your setup. Want step-by-step tutorials for these DIYs? Check the description for links to my favorite guides. How to set up the perfect tablescape for a Hawaiian party? The table is the centerpiece of your party, and setting it up with a tropical theme is key. Use table runners made of raffia or grass skirts to add texture, and choose colorful tableware in shades of blue, green, and coral. Centerpieces can include pineapple arrangements, coconut shells filled with flowers, or tiki torches for a festive touch. Don't forget tropical drink umbrellas and seashell accents to complete the look. A well-designed tablescape instantly elevates your Hawaiian party decor. Got a favorite tablescape idea? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're styling your party. How to incorporate Hawaiian party themes for kids and adults. A Hawaiian party can be tailored to suit guests of all ages. For kids, include activities like lei-making stations, hula hoop contests, or face painting with tropical designs. Adults will enjoy themed cocktails served in coconut shells or tiki mugs, as well as live music or a hula dance performance. Themed party favors, such as flower crowns, sunglasses, or mini pineapples, are a hit with everyone. Combining interactive elements with decor ensures your Hawaiian party is fun for all. Want more ideas for multi-age party planning? Check the description for additional resources. What are the finishing touches for a perfect Hawaiian party? The details make all the difference in creating an immersive Hawaiian experience. Add small accents like seashells, sand, or starfish to your decor. Use bamboo placemats, tropical print napkins, and vibrant cushions for seating to create a cozy and festive feel. Don't forget to include Hawaiian music, from ukulele tunes to classic island-inspired playlists to set the mood. These finishing touches will tie your theme together and leave a lasting impression on your guests. Curious about where to find these finishing touches? Check the description for product links and recommendations. What are the essential elements of Hawaiian party decorations? The essence of a Hawaiian party lies in its bright and cheerful ambiance. To capture the tropical vibe, start with colorful flowers like hibiscus, plumeria, or orchids, whether fresh or faux. Incorporate lush greenery such as palm leaves or ferns to bring an island touch to the decor. A tiki bar setup is a must-have for serving drinks, complete with bamboo details and tiki mugs to enhance the theme. These essentials set the stage for a vibrant, authentic Hawaiian atmosphere that will wow your guests. If you're loving these essentials, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your party planning friends. Bringing the spirit of Hawaii to your next party is all about vibrant colors, lush decor, and those little details that transport your guests to paradise. Whether it's the perfect tablescape, DIY garlands, or tiki-inspired lighting, every element works together to create a celebration that feels like a tropical escape. With these ideas, you're all set to plan a Hawaiian party that's as unforgettable as it is fun. So grab your leis, mix those mai tais, and let the good vibes roll. If this video inspired your next party, hit subscribe and join me for more creative event ideas. Let's make every celebration an island getaway.